Time for exact notes. It's just exact notes. Music rocks. Yeah.
Time for some more coffee and donuts. I love my little coffee / donut mug. It's so cute. This is something you'll learn about me. I really love coffee. Hey, welcome to Mary Had a Little Lamb. Are you ready to get started? Let's give it a try. I'm Mr. Zach, remember? Welcome to the next song. Okay, let's do a quick review of the way we have to hold our instrument. Remember, the violin, we usually start in rest position, and this is where the violin can just be sitting right on our leg like that, standing straight up. Hi, violin. All right, then we're gonna take the bottom of it and put it right underneath our shoulder, or on top of our shoulder, and in the side of the middle of our neck. Not all the way back here, not in the front middle like that, coming out. And then make sure it's standing up straight, not pointing down, not pointing up. And then take your hand, this hand, left hand, and you're gonna just support it right underneath the neck, all the way at the top of the neck, so that when the fingers curl around, the pointer finger, or finger number 1, should land right there on the yellow line. We also want to land right on the point of the finger, so that it's close to the nail. Okay, now let's start with a little warm-up for Mary Had a Little Lamb. Take your right hand, and I like to make a little L like this, and then put the thumb on the corner of the fingerboard, and start by plucking 4 open E's, or just 0, 0, 0, 0. And then press down the 1 on the yellow line right there. 1, 1, 1, 1. And then you can press down number 2 on the white line. 2, 2, 2, 2. And then 3 on the red line. And you'll notice that when I do this, I like to sing along a little bit, and I try to match the tone. For a violinist, this is a really good way to start practicing ear training so you can learn what the notes sound like. 3, 3, 3, 3. But you don't have to, but it does help. And Mary Had a Little Lamb starts right there on 3 on the E string. So let's try measure 1. Repeat after me. 3, 1, 0, 1. Your turn. Measure 2 is easier. 3, 3, 3, 3. And then measure 3 is all ones. 1, 1, 1, 1. And measure 4 is all 3s. Let's try it together. 1, 2, ready, go. 3, 3, 3, 3. And remember to keep your violin up nice and straight. And let's try measure 5. This is at the top of the next line. It goes like this. If you want to try it together, we can do that. It'll go 3, 1, 0, 1. Nice and slow. 1, 2, ready, go. 3, 1, 0, 1. And then the next measure is all 3s. 1, 2, ready, go. 3, 3, 3, 3. Some people like to bob up and down. You'll notice that I'm moving my body a little bit while I do it. Some people like to tap their toe. Some people don't like to move at all. And then the next measure is all 1s. This is measure 7, and we're almost done. 1, 1, 1. Oh, actually, it's not all 1s. I'm sorry. It's 1, 1, 3, 1. Even teachers make mistakes. I make lots of mistakes. You'll learn this. And then the last measure, if you're ready, is all 0s. This one is actually all 0s. 0, 0, 0, 0. All right, how did it go? That's the whole song. So now try playing it all the way on your own from the beginning and see if you can make it through the whole thing without any mistakes. And give yourself a round of applause. Good job.
How was that? Pretty good? Is that a wrap? I think we're good for today. Everybody, great job. That's a wrap. Nice work. Real solid. Great.